Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to tell if email was read by the recipient of that email on, of course, Outlook. So, first of all, all you need to do, just go and open the Outlook application on your desktop. Of course, if you don't have it, all you need to do, just go and download it through any browser you have on your PC. So just go and open any browser, could be possibly working like for you or you're working with. So just go and open it, then go to the URL section and type Outlook or download Outlook. Hit the first link and start downloading it. Of course, it's just like any other normal download, so it will be pretty simple. So once it's downloaded into your PC, you'll need to install it, then open it. Once you opened it, they will ask you to log in into your account. Of course, if you don't have an account, you will need to go and create one, then log in into your account. So once you're logged in into your account, you'll find yourself here with this home page or with this main screen. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to tell if the email that I sent is read or is not read yet. So how can I check for that? So of course, on the file menu at the top left corner, just go and click on that. And now you'd like to go to option. Now, of course, just go and click on the mail option here. And now you would like to look for, just scroll down until you find this tracking option. So now you would like to select this delivery receipt confirming the message was delivered to the recipient's email server. Or you can just like check this read recipients confirming the recipient viewed the message. Of course, if you check this, once the recipient like received the email, you will get like a notification. If you check this, once the recipients read your email, you will get a notification as well. So of course, check whatever you want, or you can even check them both. Hit the OK button and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.